Okay, wait. I have not recorded a video. Oh my god, my camera's gonna die. Is there even a point in doing this? I don't know. But hey y'all, so it's Daijiah here. I know I have not recorded a video in a while, and I was really planning on creating a lot of content in the beginning of the month. I had this whole schedule that I had going on or whatever, and then I got sick out of nowhere. So it is June 11th, so I mean, okay, yeah, I gotta catch up. But we're gonna start off with this. We're gonna do a butterfly look today. I'm doing a collaboration with my girl, Miss Mimi. Check out her work. I think her Instagram is Mimi the Glam Plug. I might be wrong. But yeah, so this is just gonna be a little get ready with me. I'm not getting ready for anything. I got a new tattoo also. Fire as fuck. But yeah, so that's what this video is gonna be pretty much. I'm gonna charge my camera real quick because this shit's gonna die and I'm gonna be mad, so to be continued. Alright you guys, I'm back. I let my camera charge for like a second. So let's get into it. Let me kind of show you guys what I'm going for. I literally don't feel good, but it's okay. So for inspiration, something kind of like that. I might change the color scheme. I might do pink actually, so let's just jump right on in. Oh, you guys, I feel like crap. I'm gonna zoom in a little. I've been really loving the brow pencils because they're just so quick, and I hate spending time on my eyebrows. Outline the top, outline the bottom. I really pretty much just focus this product on the ends of my eyebrow, and then I just blend this all together. But yeah, life has been pretty good. I'm about to graduate from school on the 28th. Well, it was supposed to be on the 28th, but I got sick, and I know I sound okay right now. It comes in waves, but I like really needed to record this video because, like I said before, I was planning on creating a lot of content this month and like really getting into my groove and like starting to put myself out there and everything. I know I have been, but like I consider this content like homework for me, so like I have to do it, you know? But yeah, so I think I'm gonna start with my eyes first. Yeah, this is gonna be quick, so be ready y'all. Okay, we're gonna go in with the P. Louise base. Yes, I still have it, y'all. I will not switch up on this. We're gonna grab our brush. I'm gonna start down here. But yeah, I have not been doing my makeup lately. I've literally been super into like natural looks and just like quick 10-minute looks because I have been just so busy, and I've kind of been just chilling out a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna do pink and orange. So I have this palette right here. It's a Morphe palette. My sister got it for me for Christmas. I actually really like it, and it has a mirror, so perfect. So what we're gonna do is grab a brush like this. I'll zoom in for this. And then patting motions. I notice a lot of people when they put on their eyeshadow, they just want to blend it right away, but it's like you really have to pat that in place to build up that color that you want. And then that's when you start going back in and like blending everything together and picking your other shades. I'm really picky about the colors that I use and the colors that I have. I don't think I'm gonna do the pink until I finish the line work. A few of my favorite brushes are these right here for line work. These I just got from like Hobby Lobby, regular paint brushes, and then this one I got from the nail store. I like that it's long. And then I'm using my Suva Beauty eyeliner. I have a feeling this is gonna be very frustrating. that I just finished. So now that we're done with that, we go in this brush right here. So now that we're here, we're gonna go in with our gems. I'm gonna do the other eye, we'll be right back. So for the rest of the lid, I'm just gonna go in with this pink right here. It's like a subtle pink everywhere. And I'm gonna go in with this. Alright y'all, I did my lashes and my hair off camera because I don't got time for this shit. But I'm gonna just finish up my face. I'm gonna walk you through that. I love how this eye makeup came out. So since it is the summertime, my skin is super oily right now. I've been doing a little trick lately. We'll use this primer, the e.l.f. Putty Primer. So then after that, dip into our powder. I've been still using the Maybelline Fit Me. This isn't exactly my color, so I'm gonna mix a little bit of this one in there. Only really in my T-zone area. And then I'm gonna be going in with my Lancome foundation. I'm gonna use one of these. It's gonna be a little bit tougher to blend out because of the powder. So you kind of just have to work a little fast. I'm gonna use the Rare Beauty foundation with my concealer because I have not been makeup shopping yet. And I tanned a lot. So we can do this. I'm not going anywhere. Just gonna go watch this basketball game with my family. So after that, I'm gonna add a little bit of Airspun so that makes sure we made. And we're gonna set our face. I'm gonna put a little of just the Airspun over that. I go in with our Kiss bronzer. Just go with the fluffy brush and just be careful of the gems. And I'm gonna go in with our setting spray. Go in with some blush. We're gonna use the color, this one right here, a little bit of that, and then just a dab. Just because this is a fun look, we're going to this and highlight. We're gonna do a matte look today actually, because I haven't done one of those in a while. This thing does come in handy. And to really top off this look, we're gonna go back in with this right here, one of our little brushes, and add my little beauty marks. This